Have we ever been to the planet Uranus? The answer is simple, yes, but only once. The Voyager 2 spacecraft flew by the planet Uranus back in 1986 during a golden era where the Voyager spacecraft explored all 4 giant planets of our solar system. It revealed an extreme world, a planet that had been bowled over onto its side by some extreme cataclysm early in the formation of the solar system. That means that its seasons and its magnetic field get exposed to the most dramatic seasonal variability of any place that we know of in the solar system. The atmosphere was a churning system made of methane and hydrogen and water, with methane clouds showing up as white against the bluer background of the planet itself. The densely packed ring system is host to a number of very fine, narrow and dusty rings surrounded by a collection of icy satellites, and those satellites may harbour deep, dark, hidden oceans beneath an icy crust of water ice. Taken together, this extreme and exciting system is somewhere that we simply must go back to explore. And hopefully in the next 1 to 2 decades, NASA and the European Space Agency will mount an ambitious mission to go out there and explore the Uranian system. It's important not just for solar system science, but also for the growing field of exoplanet science, as planets of this particular size, the size of Uranus, about 4 times wider than planet Earth, seem to be commonplace throughout our galaxy. So have we been to Uranus? Yes, but it's time that we went back.